I'm gonna record the worst storm I ever saw. The spookiest, freaky little storm I ever saw. Little tiny snowflakes. Look at it, look at it. Snow is up to the porch edge. I went out to the patio and I never saw anything like it. It was totally covered with snow, like it had no roof at all. Totally covered. I just shoveled this yesterday. Look, you can't even tell that I shoveled at all. Look at this. It is just unfreaking real. Oh, this is spooky. It was blowing is what we had, blowing, snowing. And it was light and dry. And my gosh, it's weird. So now I get to shovel. I called for a shoveler, but I don't know if he'll ever come.